To fix a non-working Razer Viper V2 Pro dongle, several steps can be taken. The issue may be caused by problems with the mouse and dongle, outdated firmware, or the need for a replacement dongle. Restarting the mouse and dongle can often resolve the issue. Start by disconnecting the Razer Viper V2 Pro from the computer. Then disconnect the mouse from the dongle. Wait 10 seconds and reconnect the mouse. After allowing a few seconds for the reconnection process to complete, confirm if the mouse is working. If not, updating the firmware may be necessary. This can be done by opening the Razer Synapse software, clicking the mouse tab, selecting the Razer Viper V2 Pro, and checking for available firmware updates. If an update is available, download and install it, following the on-screen guide. Then restart the mouse and dongle. If the issue persists, replacing the dongle may be necessary. To do this, submit a replacement request through the Razer support website, and once the new dongle is received, download the Razer mouse pairing utility to pair it with the mouse. By following these steps, the non-working Razer Viper V2 Pro dongle can be fixed.